on a trip. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is our maiden voyage in our new setup. I got my pup in the back. He's enjoying the breeze with the windows down right now because it's a beautiful day out here today. It's like 75 degrees. And since it's so nice, I decided, you know what, we're gonna kick this adventure off with doing a little hike out here in a place that I've never been to before and I've always wanted to go check out. So let's go do that. All right, we made it. You wanna go take a poop? He probably has to take a poop. Okay, I was just recording for the past, like, I don't know, 10 minutes without noticing. Also, update, sweater was not a good idea. I'm getting a little sweaty. What are you doing, dude? You see a squirrel? You see a squirrels up there in the tree? Yeah, he saw a squirrel in the tree. Come on, pup, it's gone. It's long gone, pup. So I picked this trail thinking that it went to some water, like a waterfront hike. And I looked on all trails, like when I was pretty far into the hike and I was nowhere close to the water. I still had like another 5 miles to go until I was at the lake. And I was like, all right, we're just gonna turn around because I am turning into a sweat ball at the moment. I don't know why I wore this. I have boots, blue jeans, and a sweater on. I thought it was like fall time for some reason. We're just gonna go back to the truck and I'm gonna drive over to a little pull off and we're gonna check out the water there because the lake is very, very beautiful. If you see the remnants here, something happened while we were on trail and I had to clean it. My dog decided to stand up before he was done and it went all over his butt, if you know what I'm saying. You're grody. He knows what he did. Ready to go? This stuff right here, this freeze-dried chicken, I'm telling you, is his favorite food. He won't eat this normal food until I put this on top of it. I don't know why. All right, Subway. Subway is my lunch. I am starving, dude. Gas. Okay, so next stop, we're gonna head up about 30 minutes down the road to a dirt road that has a bunch of campsites on it, and we're gonna try to find a campsite. Now, it's the weekend, it's Saturday, beautiful bluebird day. Hopefully we can find a campsite. I'm not really betting on getting like a really, really good one with like a view and stuff, but if that happens, that would be great. But I'm just concerned about getting a campsite because I'm sure that everybody's out trying to camp right now and there's limited sites on that road, so if I can't find one there, then we're gonna have to figure something out. All right, guys, we just hit dirt. Now we're cruising. Just checked my tie downs to make sure that they are all good and secure and everything. It hasn't rained, I guess, in a while because it's super, super dusty, man. Look at all that dust. Look at this. I mean, it is like a dust storm out here right now. The freaking trees and all the leaves are like a different color. There's so much dust on everything. Oh man, guys. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. It is like a zoo up here right now. Every spot that is a spot is taken, and just there's so many cars. There's just like people everywhere. There's cars everywhere. So I'm not feeling too good about this. Every spot that is like an actual spot, like a camping spot with like a fire ring and everything, has been taken. And I passed like 20. Okay, so bad news. I went down the whole road and there is no sights except for, I like to call them crapshoots. This is a crapshoot. It's literally just enough to put your truck into, like a little sliver. I don't even know what to call it. I mean, it's a crapshoot. It's like a little slice of opening, and that's about it. There's no room to like walk around. There's no room to chill out. Some of them have a fire pit in the crapshoot, so that just makes it even worse, I feel like, because there's less room for your car. I have a giant truck. I'm gonna go back through. Hopefully, maybe somebody's left. Maybe, I don't even know. We're gonna see. Guys, we might have ended up with a campsite here. It's not ideal. I wouldn't say that it's perfect, but it's a campsite with enough recreational room. Still like right off of the road right here, but back behind here, I'll just show you. Okay, so, I mean, yeah, like, you know, we have this rock, which might actually help my dog hop up into the camper maybe. Put some leveling blocks up on there. Thank the Lord I brought them. And then we have this little fire ring. I mean, enough room to chill, right? Kind of a view obscured through the trees here. The road kind of like loops around right here, around the whole campsite. Literally, this is it. This is the best we got. So I think this is it. I mean, it looks good. I don't know if it is good though. Oh my gosh, look at this dust. Oh my gosh. Oh, and by the way, if you look at this, this is great. It all fell out of there. All right. Yes. Just kicked my truck.
What are you doing, you silly boy? Are you cozy now?
Oh yeah. Now that I've been in here, I can tell that I am definitely not fully level. I'm kind of like teetering this way just a little bit. Barely noticeable, but it's as good as we're gonna get. I'm sleeping, you know, east to west anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Just hopefully I don't fall off the bed.
You can tell my boy is tired.
As I was just sitting here, I noticed there is a trail that looks like it leads down somewhere, maybe with a view. Might check that out. Also, I forgot that I brought my hammock, so I'm gonna probably set that up and just chill outside. All right, let's try this out. Bust ass. All right, we're gonna go look and see what this trail leads to. I don't know if it's leading to anything cool or if it's leading to where people take poops. We're gonna find out. Oh, definitely not. Definitely not. This is a dump trail. This is a dump trail. Old tissues. Rats. Thought I was gonna get a view. I did not. I do get a little bit. but not really. I need to get Pup like a super long leash that he can kind of just like chill out at camp, and I don't really have to watch him. I mean, he would like listen if I told him not to go somewhere and like to come back and stuff, but also he has rat brain. He might just run after a squirrel into the road. We don't want that, because as you can see, there's tons of traffic flying by. All right, guys, it is time for some dinner, okay? And I'm not a chef. If you've watched this channel before, you probably know this. I don't know how to cook. I brought something pretty simple today. I brought some steak, beef chuck, flat iron steak. Had these before. They're super cheap and they're really, really good. So I'm gonna fry one of these up. I also have some mashed potatoes that I'm gonna throw onto the stove and try to heat up. They're just pre-cooked, so I just gotta warm them up. We're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully I don't burn it or overcook it or undercook it. I've only cooked like 5 steaks ever, so we'll see how it goes. Cool thing about my camper is it comes with a 2-burner stove. So this is not a self-igniting stove, so I have a lighter. Yep, there we go. We put our cast iron skillet up on there. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, all right, boom, boom. It's cooking. Just gonna let it cook. One thing about this camper that I'm going to upgrade is I don't have a table. Got to put this stuff on there. Got some garlic powder, great value, you know. Oh my gosh, that went out so fast. Smells good. Does anybody know how long you like let a steak sit there before you flip it? This is how you cook right here, okay? If you ever wanted to know how to cook a steak, this is how you do it. Like, is everybody gonna hate me if I cut it before it's done? Oh yeah, dude, we're still raw. Raw. Okay, I'm about to resort to cutting it up in the pan. Okay. Is this a sin? Like, I don't know. Like, is this like not, like you're supposed to, like, I know everybody wants to see like the presentation of like, you know, me cutting it open to see the glorious work that I've done. But like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing, and I feel like I am destroying this steak. That's actually not bad. That's actually pretty nice. Next on our list is this pre-made mashed potatoes. Okay, I got a pot because I don't have like an oven or a microwave or anything. I don't know if it's gonna come. Oh, feeling good about this, guys. Are you down there trying to look for remnants? Trying to look to see if I drop stuff? You want some steak? If you're coming to this channel for cooking stuff, leave, okay? This is what we got. Boom. Steak and potatoes. Classic. I mean, it's a standard dish, you know? Boom. Bon appetit. Yeah, I really need to get a table. I'm gonna get one that like is right here, and it's kind of like a swivel table. You've probably seen them before in other camping setups, but yeah, probably gonna get me one of those because I don't really have a good place to eat right now. Potatoes aren't cold. That's good. The moment you guys have all been waiting for. Steak's pretty good. I'm gonna enjoy my little meal here in my lap and chill out for the rest of the night. Just chilling. Oh, how you feeling? How you feeling? All right, guys, we're all cozy. He's falling asleep. I'm about to go to bed too. I am blown away and just very stoked on this new setup. This camper is so cozy. I just turned the furnace on and got it nice and toasty in here. It works perfectly, amazing. Everything works fine. Yeah, I mean, no complaints so far. This thing is amazing. that is going to get old really fast. That is one thing about the pop-ups, is the sound isn't as insulated, I guess. It's pretty good. It's better than I thought it was going to be, but you can still hear things. And this road being right here, I feel like every time a car is going to pass by, it's going to wake me up. But whatever. Well, I made an oopsie. Forgot my French press for my coffee. I have all my coffee stuff, but I don't have my French press. Looks like we're gonna have to wait for some coffee on the ride home. Yes, good boy. It is still quite dark out here.